Hello guys and welcome back to Take Notes channel. Today we are going to be learning how to delete saved message on Snapchat. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to delete saved message on Snapchat. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device. Swipe right from the camera screen or tap on the chat bubble icon at the bottom left corner to access your chats. After that, find the conversation containing the saved messages you want to delete and tap on it to open the chat. In the chat, find the message that you want to delete. Saved messages are denoted by a gray background. Press and hold your finger on the saved message. In the pop-up menu, select delete. Snapchat will ask you to confirm if you want to delete the message. Select delete again to confirm. You will see a message confirming that the saved message has been deleted. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.